Custom notifications can be found on the first page of the job creation process, and they allow you to set up an automated email which is sent to a specific user once a candidate is moved to a certain stage of the recruitment process. They're also set up on a per job basis, and if you want to set up more than one notification, you can. So you can see just here I've already set up an example. So when a candidate moves to shortlisted, I did choose this drop-down menu. There's all these different stages of the recruitment process that you can choose from. I want to send an email, and then you can choose your user type. I've chosen the job hiring manager, but there are these options as well, and you can choose to add in more options if you want to. You then move down to the email content. I've chosen to add in the position, reference and job title, and then you can add in your email content. So I'm just letting the hiring manager know that candidate's been moved to shortlist for them to review, and also asking them to log in and complete the CV feedback questionnaire. The reason I've chosen this example is because from a hiring manager's perspective, they might not always be using the ATS on a day-to-day basis, so receiving an email notification could just prompt them to log in and carry out some actions. Once you're happy with all of your chosen content, you can just select Add. If I just scroll down the page slightly, you can see under Current Notifications that my custom notification has now been applied. So when I publish a job and I start to receive applications, if any candidates are moved to shortlist stage, the email will be generated accordingly.